Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will describe the story of a lion and a mouse in Japanese to practice speaking in Japanese. So listen carefully and try with me to flourish your Japanese. So let's start. One day a lion was sleeping. Aruhi, Rayon ga neteimashita. A little mouse ran over his body. Chisana nezumi ga Rayon no ue o hashirimashita. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. Rayon wa okite nezumi o tsuke maeta. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. Nezumi wa imashita. Watashi wo tabenaite kudasai. I will help you one day. Itsuka otetsudai shimasu." The lion laughed but let the mouse go. Rayon wa waratte nezumi wo nigashimashita. Later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. Atode Rayon wa ryoushi no ami ni kakarimashita. He could not get out. Deru koto ga dekimasen deshita. The mouse came and cut the net with its teeth. Nezumi ga kite, ha o tsukatte ami o kamikirimashita. The lion was free. Rayon wa jiyu ni narimashita. The lion thanked the mouse. Rayon wa nezumi ni arigatou to imashita. They became friends. Futari wa tomodachi ni narimashita. That's all for today. Stay tuned with me to practice speaking in Japanese in a more effective way. Bye. Tada.